Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing an unboxing and taste test of this nature box. I got this in the mail using a promo code, so I only paid around $5 for it. So awesome, that wasn't too hard to open. Broke the box, but that's okay. So I have 5 snacks. And I'll be trying them all for you. I'm gonna start with the ones I'm least excited to try, dash I've tried things like it before, and then end with the ones I'm most excited for. So, okay, I'm gonna start with the Big Island pineapple, which is dried pineapple with no added sugar. Only ingredient is dried pineapple. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna just take a little half of the ring. That's really good. It's not too hard to chew, and it tastes really good. So that's that. I'll be eating more of them later. Next is the tropical mango, which once again, only ingredient dried mango. I'm hoping it's as soft as the pineapple. Sometimes dried mango can be a little tough. Okay, so this is what a piece looks like. Feels soft. Tastes like the one from Trader Joe's if you've had that one before. Yeah. They're both really, for dried fruit, pretty moist. I know people don't really like that word, but I think that's the best way to describe it. And then the next one, whole wheat chocolate animal cookies, which are vegan, just contains wheat. And yeah, the serving size is 9 cookies, so let's see if they actually look like animals. So the one I grabbed is, I think, like a bird of some sort. Let's see. They're not extremely chocolatey. I prefer the cat cookies from Trader Joe's, if you've had those. They definitely do have like a whole wheat flavor. It says nutritionist approved. Shout out my nutrition major buds, Gabby, Abby, you know who you are. So we have 2 snacks left, and I think I'm gonna start with this one because I'm excited for both of these because they're salty chip things and I love that. So this one is Kung Pao pretzels, and they're spicy seasoned waffle pretzels. And I'm gonna check the ingredients. So it looks like there's no peanuts or peanut butter in it, so if you have an allergy to that, you probably usually can't have Kung Pao, but you can have these. And they're covered in like a light powder. They're shaped like the little butter snaps. Wow, so they definitely have a sour taste to them, along with the spicy. It looks like there's vinegar powder, so that's probably that. I'd say I recommend these if you're super into like spicy Chinese food, Indian food. I wasn't expecting that sour kick. That's good though if you like a flavor punch. And then these last ones, the rest of them sort of came in that resealable pack. This one is just in a bag, and they're salt and vinegar veggie chips. I recently watched a Rhett and Link video where they tried different salt and vinegar things. They didn't have any veggie chips, so we're gonna try this. They smell really good. If you like salt and vinegar, you'll probably, I mean, I haven't tried them yet. Let me try them. So there's also purple ones. So it's made of plantains, cassava, tania, purple sweet potatoes, and then there's oil, salt, and vinegar. And I'd say they don't have too strong of a vinegar flavor. I feel like the Kung Pao pretzels had more even vinegary of a taste. But it's definitely a healthier alternative. And they're pretty darn good. So I would give the dried pineapple and the dried mango 10 out of 10 if you like dried fruit and it's cheaper than most stores. I'd give the chocolate cookies a 6 out of 10 because they're not really that sweet, and I was hoping these would be like my dessert in the box. And then I'd give Kung Pao pretzels and the salt and vinegar both 7 out of 10 because for these they were a little too sour at the end, but it's good that they packed flavor. And then this one, I was expecting a little more of that vinegar taste that I got from these. So I hope you liked the video. Please comment and subscribe, and I'll hopefully film more. And thanks for watching.